So 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Captain Radar. Apparently there's something on YouTube in the month of November called No Effort November, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna try to do this in one take. If not, you're gonna see all the mistakes. So yesterday I decided, basically spur of the moment, that I was going to be picking up this. The StreamDeck Pedal. Which, yes, I know there's no point for it. Maybe. We'll find out. I haven't taken it out of the box, so it's going to be an unboxing slash first setup, and I may down the line do what I think. So, let's jump right into it. Normally there would be a tab here to pull, but I opened it last night to show somebody. So, after you pull the tab there, yeah, maybe you should. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side. The back telling you that it supports everything but Linux. If I know the Linux community, that doesn't mean anything to them because they've already found their way around. And then the bottom where the pull tab was. So, like I said, no after November, as I shut my lights off. So, you open it. That doesn't seem smart. Excuse me, you open it, you have the thing that no one is going to read. The pull tab that I have in it. Well, what I put in it, the device, aside for a sec. More instructions that no one's gonna read. And all these. Wow. And you get 4 sets of springs and a middle pedal stoppers. Huh. I'm guessing if you don't like the springs that are in it, you can change it, and then a C to A, because not everyone, I'm guessing, has a C to C. Well, I don't have a C to C machine. But yeah. So these are what the... Oh god, I'm dropping everything. So this is what the packet of springs looks like. If you don't know what springs look like, that's sort of on you. And then this is the stopper. That's all gonna go back in there. Now, let's get to this. To be honest, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Yes, I know, that's what she said. So, take it out of that protector. And here is the device. There are 3 buttons. And the camera freezes. Who cares? Well, that actually helps a little bit more. So there are 3 buttons, as you see. Oh, no, the camera's back. Oh, well. So, yeah, there are 3 buttons on it. The bottom here has nothing. The back has 6 rubber stoppers. And a warning label, probably telling you not to eat it. Who knows? So, yeah. So let me hook this up to the computer, and then we can look at the software for it. Oh, I have crawled under my desk, plugged in the USB cable. So let's plug this in. And let me transition over to my desktop, and we can see what happens. Oh, new StreamDeck detected. Do I want to copy the settings, or do I want to start fresh? Let's start fresh. So, yeah, like I said, there are 3 buttons with it. And my camera isn't there. Oh well. You don't need to see this ugly face. So, oh, now there's Discord volume and mute and unmute with it. Huh. Yeah, this is my first time looking at the StreamDeck. Oh, they give you the little overlay thing now. Huh, that's gonna get a little annoying. Whatever. To be honest, I have no idea what I was gonna put there. Oh, I can do navigation now. You know what? Let's do Discord. Let's do... Actually, can I do it where I can have my camera be a button push? I know, that's kind of lazy. But if you know me, what isn't lazy about me getting another Stream Deck? Yeah, you know, I'm gonna figure things out for these 3 buttons and I will be right back. Figured out what I wanted the buttons to be. I know a lot of people are gonna see that they're a little weird, but hey, it's not yours. So, let's look at them. I have the record, which may end up swapping out for something else for OBS. I have my cut, because I have... Instead of transitions, sometimes when I'm on Discord, I don't want to use the transitions with OBS. I would rather just cut like you just saw, and then mute. So the mute would be, obviously, when you're in Discord, you don't have to, go up and press the mute button with the mouse. I can now use it with the foot. So, yeah. Yeah, it's whatever. I mean... I'll probably put out a more in-depth review, maybe, TM. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and I think subscribe is the 3 options. I don't remember. If you like this, do those 3 things. If you didn't, thanks for the view. Follow me on Twitch. I'm planning on streaming again. I'm better live than I am with planning out videos. So, yeah. Alrighty. You can go now.